In this video tutorial, we will provide you with help to get rid of the malicious pop-ups related to the site Notrobot.top. Notrobot.top. This is a malicious site which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead users and to make them click on allow, supposedly to help them continue their browsing. But in reality, to click on allow is a serious mistake, and this would hijack the browser with many annoying advertisements. So if you have clicked on allow, you will therefore hijack your browser by doing so. You need to fix your browser if this allow button was clicked, and to get it fixed, access the menu Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications. So now remove all these malicious sites if you find them. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then start carefully researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.